healthy and beautiful hair is almost every girl's dream. But having long hair can be a bit challenging. Most of the time people complain about hair loss, split ends, rough, dull and dry hair. So in today's video, I will share a few tips that I follow to maintain my hair. So the first thing that I do right after I wake up is to take my supplements. If you have watched my previous video about how to lose belly fat, then you already know that I take all my supplements early morning, empty stomach right before I hit the gym, so that I can easily digest them. To have naturally long, thick and beautiful hair, I take Biotin Capsules because biotin is a vitamin of B complex that prevents hair loss, makes your hair much more silky, shiny and smooth. Biotin supplements are very beneficial for hair growth. It is very beneficial for the health of your skin and nails. I like Biotin dietary supplements. They make the hair much more stronger, thicker and longer. It also helps in strengthening the nails and adds a natural glow and radiance to the skin. Each box contains 60 capsules and each capsule contains 10,000 microgram biotin mixed with 60 mg calcium per capsule. It is 100% natural, vegetarian and gluten-free formulation without any added fillers, binders, flavorings, additives or preservatives. Wow Life Science Biotin is a premium dietary supplement and is also known as vitamin B7 and vitamin H, which helps improving the health of the hair, nails and skin. You can take one capsule in the morning and one capsule in the evening with water at meal times or consult a healthcare professional before you start taking them. Just applying few hair care products or trying different home remedies will not help. Hair growth depends upon the fact of how healthy the roots are. And when it comes to healthy hair roots, biotin supplements can be a lifesaver. It prevents hair fall and improves the hair growth. And there is no side effect as well. So that's it for today's video, and this is the high time that you start taking care of your internal health, because what's inside reflects outside. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.